Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis.
Hello, how are you today? Today let's learn the basic techniques. The principles and techniques of backhand block technique explained by 3D model. By watching this explanation, you will understand the gesture of the backhand block technique. Backhand defense. Backhand block seems simple. In fact, it is not easy at all. Facing the opponent's strong attack. How should we deal with it? First of all, the speed required is very fast. We don't have enough time to swing the racket, so we can put the racket higher. Defend the ball first. Through the movement of your feet, let your body face the ball. Use the force of the ball to push it back. Don't wait for the ball to come and touch it, because most of the incoming balls are topspin. If we don't actively neutralize the spin, the ball will easily fly out. The defensive movement range is very small. When hitting the ball, don't let your hand leave your wrist and body. Fix the elbow joint. Defend the ball first. Then use the center of gravity to send your hands to fight against the ball. Use the force to generate power. Dissipate the rotation of the incoming ball. Then use the force of the incoming ball to push it back. Let's take a closer look at the force generation process. Grasp the timing of hitting the ball. To summarize, defense is divided into 3 steps: receiving, absorbing the spin, and follow through. Control the racket's head when receiving the ball. Absorb the rotation. Use your body to drive your arms to push it back. It's that simple. Practice backhand push well. You can achieve accurate pitching. Everyone wants to practice with you. Table tennis cannot be practiced on paper. Observe more, learn more, practice more. If there is no coach around, you can record your own movements. Observe whether your power is coordinated. Sometimes subjective feelings are vague. As the saying goes, those who are involved are often confused. This video ends here. Watch the next video on PingSunday.
Table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.